All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Another episode of Everything Works, but Nothing Works. So this is episode 3. Episode 3. So let's set it up like we usually do. These should be fairly quick now if you've watched the last two. Last one was just a trend line trading strategy. Got a 50% win rate though. So this one we're going to do 20 trades. So the rules of this strategy are whenever we get an oversold or overbought signal, okay, and on the MFI and the Bollinger band is at the bottom band or the top band, or just coming from them, we're going to take the signal. Okay, we're going to take the signal and we're going to try to trade it back to the lower band. Boom, boom. Let's get into it. Gonna wait for that signal. Okay, so we got an oversold signal here. I'm gonna go short right here. Try to hit this target. Let's play it out. Oh, we're oversold again. And did it take us out? No, it's still running. It looks like. Oh, it took us out. It almost looked like it was gonna let us win that one. Okay, so we're finished with the back testing. Uh, this one did a little bit worse than 50-50, but um, still surprising though. Go back to all these trades here, just using Bollinger Bands and MFI. If you were oversold at the band, overbought at the band, take the trade. And this was interesting, this little coupling here. You had a winner, and then another winner, and then another winner here. That was pretty cool. Let's add it up though. So 9 wins times 27 points minus 11 losses times 18 points. So we got 9 multiplied by 27. That's 243 points. And then we have 11 times 18. That's 198 points. So we already know we're in a profit. Minus 243. 45 points of profit times 50 points. 2250 in profit. That is this strategy right here. Let's see how long it took us here. Took the first trade back here. Let's go to the 15-minute, kind of condense this a little bit. Okay, took the first trade here and the last trade here. About 10 days. Right? So there you have it. Another profitable strategy here. Just a random ass profitable strategy, letting you see that it's not your strategy, it's your risk management. All right, next episode will be more fancy. Peace.